I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways that you can use the Artis Oval 3 brush. The Oval 3 is our smallest of the oval brushes and a little bit smaller than the pad of your pinky finger. Oval 3 is such a perfect and versatile brush for detailed work on the face. It's my favorite to use when I'm applying my eye cream and my concealer, so I look just a little more refreshed for the start of a super busy work day. It's also such a great brush for a quick sparkle shadow on the eye, and in a pinch, it's great for a quick swipe of gloss or lip balm for an ultra refreshed and polished look. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and it applies and blends makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here are my favorite ways to use the Oval 3. Dot your cream concealer under the eye where you'd like to add brightness. Then, glide your Oval 3 gently back and forth underneath the eye area from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eye. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so the lighter the touch, the better. Place your Oval 3 in your powder contour compact and gently glide the brush back and forth once or twice across the powder. Place the brush lightly underneath the cheekbone or along the sides of the nose and glide gently in circular motions to blend. With your Artis Oval 3 brush, your eyeshadow goes on exactly as you see it in the compact. Swipe your brush once through your favorite powder shadow and gently glide back and forth across the lower lid, from inner corner to outer corner. Gently glide up into the crease for a smooth wash of color. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.